Principal sir, teachers, and my dear fellow future innovators. Today is not just a date. Today is 28th February is National Science Day. On this very day in 1928, Sir C.V. Raman made a discovery, that Raman effect, and that proved something extraordinary. He proved that Indian minds could compete with world latest scientific powers at a time when India had limited resources, limited technology, limited recognition. He proved world class. He produced world class science, and that is exactly what we celebrate this day. Not just to remember a discovery, but to remember that Indian mind is capable of. And National Science Day is reminders. Great discoveries are born in perfect, not born in perfect conditions. They are born in powerful minds. We celebrate this day to promote scientific thinking, to inspire young students, to encourage research and innovation, to remind ourselves that questioning is not disrespect; it's the part of progress. Because science is not just lab experiment. Science is a way of thinking before it is a body of knowledge. Science is the courage to doubt. Science is the discipline to test. Science is the refusal to accept ignorance. It begins when you ask why, how, and what if. Why does the light change direction? How do the rockets escape gravity? What if we could cure all diseases? Science is a curiosity with courage. Science is imagination with proofs. And somewhere along the way, we reduced it to just marks, formulas, and exam pressures. But the truth is, science is not a chapter in your books. It is the backbone of our existence. Before science, lighting was fear. Now it's electricity. Before science, disease destroyed civilization. Today we design vaccines within months. Before science, sky was the limit. Today, Mars is a mission. And still some say science is boring. No. What's boring is memorizing without understanding. What's boring is studying without questioning. On the same day in 1928, Sir C.V. Raman didn't have billion-dollar labs, but he had some more powerful curiosity. Average minds memorize, curious minds question, and the curious minds build nations. Look around you. Artificial intelligence is rising. Robots are learning. Technology is evolving every second. National Science Day is not about past, it's about the future. The question is, will you create the future or just consume it? The future will be not written by those who scroll. It will be written by those who solve and question. Science is not for toppers. Science is for thinkers, for innovators, for rebels who change gravity, challenge gravity, for mind that refuse to accept ignorance. And here's the final truth. If you understand science, you pass exam. If you master science, you change the world. So today, don't just celebrate National Science Day with applause. Celebrate it with a decision to question more, to think deeper, to experience fearlessly, to replace excuse with exploration. Because science is not just knowledge, it is power, it is progress, and it is India's strength. Thank you, Jai Hind.